Okay, everyone, now it's time for assignment 5. Okay, so turn to page 163 to 165, or you can go to the PowerPoint slide and find apply cell styles and customize a cell style. Okay, we start with apply cell style first. So you can see here, I already downloaded it. Okay, all right, so let's start with number 1. So make sure sheet 1 is open. Okay, so now mine is sheet 2 is open, so we need to change to sheet 1. Okay, so sheet 1, right? Okay, in here we need to select cell A1 first. So when we select A1, if you notice, the whole thing will be highlighted. Okay, and then we want to go to home tab, cell styles. Now you see there's many different cell styles here, right? Okay, so if you want to expand, you can see there's even more choices lah. Okay, so let's see which one should we select. Okay, right, titles and heading section, select heading 1. So I click here, titles and heading section, heading 1. Okay, so this is what I've selected. Right, next I select cell A2. Okay, and open the cell styles again, select Asgmt team cell styles. So we go to the team cell styles over here, team cell styles, select Asgmt1. Okay, Asgmt1, this one, not this one, this is 20%. So we don't want any 20, 40 or 60%, we want just Asgmt1. Okay, now notice this one also applied already. Next, we need to select A8 to D8. Okay, A8 to D8. Okay, go back there again, we need to find total. All right, so you select here, you see that there is a single line on top and a double line below. Okay, so once you have done this, all right, oh, you need to change, you need to save this as this name. Okay, so file, save as, get rid of all the underscore, cell style solution. Okay, so we just save it there. All right, moving on, we have customized a cell style. Remember, here also need to do customize a cell style. So just leave it open, you can do straight away right now. Okay, in sheet 1, select A2 again. All right, now we need to open cell styles menu, open the cell styles menu, and then we go to new cell style. It's right at the bottom, second last. Okay, so what we're going to do here is actually we're going to customize our own pattern. Okay, we don't like any of this pattern, we want to do our own one. Okay, so we could select it. All right, and then in the cell we call it revenue heading. Okay, revenue heading, so that's the name we're going to name it. All right, and then what else we go down? Okay, we click the format button. Okay, now this is where we actually want to format the thing. All right, so we click on the font tab first. Okay, we want bold italic here. At the font style, we want bold italic, and then press OK. All right, then we press OK also. Okay, so with this still selected, we need to click revenue heading. Is up here, you can see there's a custom part, revenue heading, so we select this. Okay, that way you see that there will be a slight changes. Okay, with this we can save, and then you can submit this as your for assignment, this is 5, assignment 5, right? Yeah, assignment 5. Okay, thank you class.